Yes. So before getting into today's problem, I'll tell you the ongoing questions on Unacademy. So you can see Unacademy has produced 7 trackers in top 20, 15 trackers in top 50, and 170 plus Unacademy learners have cracked it. So 9 months combo to crack UPSC Prelims 2022. So you're going to get 38% offer overall, 28% off with optional plus 10% off if you use my code Prasanna10, and one subscription to crack it all. CS plus optional plus iconic plus optional, you're going to get 35% off, 28% with optional plus 10% if you use my code Prasanna10, right? Yes. And you're also going to get this test series for free. You purchase 1 year course, and there's also a 3-month festive combo. You can get 20% off, 10% with optional plus 10% if you use my code Prasanna10, right? So the new batch for 21, 22, 23 aspirants starting on 27th October. And these are the educators, and this is scheduled for 1 year batch, and these are the educators, and this is scheduled for 2 year batch, and these are the educators. And there's also a scholarship test going on, and there's also live mentorship program. You can also avail loan you want, right? You can use my code Prasanna10 for 10% off, right? Yes. So now we'll move on to our problem. So problem number 3. So problem number 3 is y minus x into dy by dx is equal to a into y square plus dy by dx, right? So we will start third problem. So y minus x into dy by dx equal to a into y square plus dy by dx, right? So when you look at this, you should not say that it is you should not say that it is not of the form dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. It is also a first order, first degree only, because we have only dy by dx, we have only dy by dx. If you collect all the other terms to one side, we will have dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, right? Yes. So before that, what we will do is we will simplify this. So we will simplify this. So we will have y minus x into dy divided by dx is equal to a y square a into dy by dx. Now you take dy by dx common, you take this term to that side, take this term to this side. So you will have y minus a y square is equal to, if I take dy by dx common, so here you will have one a plus here you will have one x, right? Now you bring a plus x to this side, so we will have dy by dx is equal to y minus a y square divided by a plus x. Now you can see dy by dx equal to f of x comma y. It is a first order first degree equation. Now what you need to do, you need to separate this of the form x into y, right? This of the form capital X into capital Y, where capital X is 1 by a plus x and capital Y is y minus a y square. Now you separate this. So we will have dy divided by y minus a y square is equal to dx divided by x plus a, right? So integrate this. So we will have integration of dy divided by y minus a y square, right? Y minus a y square is equal to integration of dx divided by x plus a, right? Yes. Now we have, okay, so now we have integral dy divided by y minus a y square, right? Y minus a y square is equal to integral dx divided by x plus a. Now to integrate this, what I am doing is I am just doing the partial fraction for y by a minus, we can integrate this very easily, right? This will be log of x plus a. So we will do partial fraction. Let us call this as star, right? So partial fraction. So we will do partial fraction for 1 by y into, if I take y common, we will have 1 minus a y, right? So you can write this as a by y plus b divided by 1 minus a y. So these are elementary, right? You just do partial fraction, which are very elementary. So this will be you need to find the values of a and b now. So for that, what I do is you just multiply by y into 1 minus a y to the denominator. So we will have 1 is equal to a into 1 minus a y plus b into y, right? So I'm just multiplying this with y into 1 minus a y, y into 1 minus a y y into 1 minus ay. You just have to multiply what we have in the denominator. You have to multiply this by throughout the numerator. So you need to find the values of a and b now. So to find the values of a and b, so put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0, right? So put y is equal to 0. You need to find the values of a and b now, right? So put y is equal to 0. So when you put y is equal to 0, we will have, so 1 is equal to a into 1 plus b into 0. This implies my value of a is 1, and you put y is equal to 1 minus ay will be equal to 0. That means 1 has to be equal to ay. So you put y is equal to 1 by a, right? So this will be what? 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 1 by a. This will be 0. So we will have b to be equal to a, right? B to be equal to a. These are very elementary, right? So we will find a and b by just plugging the zeros of this term and zeros of this term. So this will be 0, 1, 1 when y is equal to 1 by a, and this will be 0 and y is equal to 0, right? So therefore I can write 1 by y into 1 minus ay. This is a by y. What it is? It is a by y plus b into 1 minus ay. So my a turns out to be 1. So this is same as 1 by 1 plus my b turns out to be a, right? So a divided by 1 minus ay. So I can write 1 by y into 1 minus ay as like this, right? Yes. Now so therefore star becomes, so what is star? So star is integral dy divided by y minus ay square is equal to integral dx divided by x plus a. This I can write this as 1 by y minus ay square is 1 by y plus a divided by 1 minus ay into dy is equal to, this is log of x plus a, right? Log of x plus a. I will add some integration constant log c, right? Whenever you have log, you just add integration constant to be equal to log c, right? This is integral 1 by y dy plus integral a divided by 1 minus ay dy is equal to log of x plus a plus log c, right? Yes. This is what? This is log y, right? This is log y. Now to find this, you always remember one very important formula when you are solving integration of. So you always remember integral f dash of x by f of x is equal to log of f of x, right? Log of f of x. You always remember this very important formula. Now if you take this as f of x, if you have f dash of x, this will be log of f of x, right? So if you take this full term as f of x, now what is f dash of x? So f dash of x will be 0 minus a. That is, we will have minus a in the, we should have minus a in the numerator to apply this formula, right? So if I have minus a in the numerator, so I can apply this formula, but we don't have minus a here. So for that, what I am doing is, so let us keep the first term as it is. So integral 1 by y dy as it is, right? Plus what I am doing is, I am just multiplying by minus 1, right? I am just multiplying by minus 1. Integral a divided by 1 minus ay is equal to log of x plus a plus log c, right? This is log y, very easy. Now what I'm doing is, I'm just keeping minus 1 here and I'm taking 1 minus inside. So we will have minus a divided by 1 minus ay is equal to log of x plus a plus log c, right? Now you can use this formula, right? Integral f dash of x by f of x. So integral f dash of x by f of x. So if when you differentiate this, you will have minus a. So this will be log y minus, this is log of 1 minus ay is equal to, so log a plus log b, it is log a into b right? And log a minus log b is log a by b. Log c into x plus a, so therefore y by 1 minus ay is equal to c into x plus a is the required solution. Or if you want to bring y to one side, you just collect all the y terms to one side, right? That will be the required solution, right? Or y is equal to c times x plus a into 1 minus ay, right? Now if you want to bring all the y terms to one side, it is possible. So what we can do is, this is same as y is equal to when you multiply this, we will have cx, so c times, okay, so we will keep this as it is, right? We don't want more simplification. So this is the required solution, right? So y is equal to c times, this is 1 minus ay, right? I'll write that clearly. So 1 minus ay is the required solution, right? Is the required solution. So what we are doing is, we need to find the solution of y minus x into dy by dx is equal to a times y square plus dy by dx, right? Yes. So now we'll move on to problem number 4, right? So very important thing is, it is not possible to integrate this directly, so you do the partial fraction. So after doing partial fraction, we have 1 by y minus ay square, right? So we know how to do partial fraction, right? So find a and b and substitute back here and use the formula integral f dash of x by f of x is equal to log of f of x, right? Yes. So now we'll move on to problem number 4. So problem number 4 is secant square x, solve secant square x tan y dx plus secant square y tan x dy is equal to 0, right? So we need to find the solution, right? So you can see an equation of the form dy by dx equal to f of x comma y or m dx plus n dy, both are same, right? So here it is of the form m dx plus n dy, right? So you see this full term as m dx plus n dy, right? Now you need to find the solution for this. So what I am doing is, I am just separating the variable, right? I am just separating the variable. So solution. So what we have here is, so let me write that. So what we have here is, so we will have secant square x tan y dx is equal to minus secant square x into tan x dy, right? Minus tan x dy. Now you just take x terms to x dx to one side, y dy to other side. So here we have what we have here is, so here we have secant square x, yes, correct, and here, sorry, it is secant square y, secant square y. So what we have here is, so we have secant square x divided by tan x dx is equal to, so you keep minus secant square y divided by, you bring tan y this side, so we will have tan y dy, right? So I have separated x and dx to one side, y and dy to other side, right? Yes. Now integrate, you will get the answer. Now integrate, so we will have integration of secant square x by tan x dx and here we have minus integration of secant square y divided by tan y dy, right? Now we know the formula that integral f dash of x by f of x is log of f of x, right? Now we can see tan x, derivative of tan x is secant square x. Here we have tan y, derivative of tan y is secant square y, right? So it is correctly, it is of the form. So we will have log of tan x is equal to minus log of tan y, right? plus I will add some integration constant log c. Now it is very easy, right? Okay, now this is same as log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to some log c. So you know log a plus log b is log ab. So this will be tan x tan y. So that means my c will be tan x tan y, right? So if you take this will be same as log of tan x into tan y is equal to log c. Therefore c is equal to tan x tan y is the required solution. That is tan y is equal to c by tan x. That will be the required solution, right? So c is equal to tan x tan y is a required solution. The solution is c is equal to tan x tan y, right? Yes, very easy problem. So now we'll move on